Hello YouTubers, welcome to my video. My name is Detroma UG, and in today's video I want to show you how you can fix your mobile data not working issue. As you can see my device right here, when I try to go over to YouTube and maybe I want to watch a video, it says I'm offline, but my SIM card is in place, but I don't know what's going on. I also have some data bundle on my SIM card. I don't know what's up. So without wasting time, let me show you how you can fix this and get your internet back on working and steady. So you want to go over to your settings, and in the settings you want to click on connections right here, and after clicking on connections you're gonna have to click on mobile networks, and in mobile networks you're gonna have to click on access point names. So as you can see, there's no access point names right here, but what we want to do is we want to add an access point name or a APN. So you want to go ahead and click on add, and this is how it's gonna be. So you want to set your name, and in this case I use Airtel, so I'm gonna have to write Airtel right here and click OK when I'm done. And after doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and also add the APN. In this case, I'm just gonna have to write internet. I'm just gonna go and write internet over there and also click OK when I'm done. After doing that, you're gonna have to click on the top right corner on the three dots in order to save this. So you're gonna click on that and also save. Click on save. After clicking on save, as you can see, my Airtel APN has been added, and if you look at my top, at the top right corner, you can see right there it's already working, and I've started receiving some messages right here. So I'm gonna go back to YouTube and see whether it's working. So as you can see, it says back online, and boom, I got everything back. I'm already back online. So if you like this video, you can go ahead and click on the subscribe button if you want to watch more videos like this, and also smash that notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I'm gonna be uploading. And also you can also click on a like if you like this video, and you can also comment on it in the comment section, and I'll be ready to reply to your comment. And thank you for watching this video. Peace.